also in his debate with Tabash, which was previously mentioned, on the 11th of April 2019, after outlining the argument...
So Tabash is an atheist guy that he debated, I believe it was in America.
Yeah.
He debated with, and the same thing. Go on.
Yeah. So after outlining the argument of Imkan and Wujub, he went on to cite Surah Al-Ikhlas. And regarding the last verse, Hijab said, وَلَمْ يَكُنْ لَهُ كُفُوًا أَحَدٌ. And there is nothing like him. He is immaterial. He is not composed of parts. He is incorporeal.
So he tried to utilize the verse. وَلَمْ يَكُنْ لَهُ كُفُوًا أَحَدٌ. He tried to say all that which he mentioned is in this ayah. But if you go back, watch. This is not the Salaf. This is the speech of, you're gonna hear is the speech of whom? Who utilized this verse. Is Ibn Sina one of them? So your Salaf is Ibn Sina. If Ibn Sina, remember who Ibn Sina, who was he? What was Aqidah? Extreme Shi'i. He was extreme Shi'i Ismaili. Even the Rafida, they make takfir on him. If a Rafida make takfir on you, then khalas. If a Rafida believe that you are misguided and is Shi'i like them, then it's Shi'a, he was extreme Ismaili.
طيب. So he goes, he is immaterial, he is not composed of parts, he is incorporeal. We want to focus on how this speech lays the foundations for the misguidance of the Mutafalsifa, Jahmiyyah and Mu'tazila, and also of characters such as Fakhruddin al-Razi. So comments, the ta'liqat. What Muhammad Hijab has outlined here provides the foundation for the philosophical tawheed of the philosophers, in which all attributes are negated from Allah through the argument of tarkib, composition, and iftiqar, need. Likewise, it comprises a negation of Allah's ulu and his sifat al-khabariyah. And this is why al-Razi unscrupulously and hypocritically used it, despite it being a refutation of the theology of the Ash'ariyah.
Because himself was Ash'ari, Fakhruddin al-Razi. But I still used it even against his own belief.
At the same time.
Yeah, at the same time, yeah.
So al-Razi was scorned for that, for using arguments that undermine the affirmation of the sifat or the sifatiyah among the mutakallimin of Allah's attributes, the sifat al-dhatiyah.
Yeah, just to mention something here, our Sheikh Abu Ayyad mentioned in the footnotes, should justice al-Sunnah when they speak and they clarify the truth, he said to make it clear, once more, we are not accusing Hijab of speaking with the actual doctrines of the Mutafalsifa or Jahmiyyah, but pointing out that due to his ignorance or wallowing in philosophy, coupled with ignorance and lack of grounding in the way of the Salaf, he's fallen into such errors in argument and speech which were the foundation of the great misguidance and which were responsible for the splitting of the Ummah. So you mentioned it clear, alhamdulillah. You can't come after someone say, accusing him that you is propagating the Aqidah. He's doing something, he's using the argument, but of course he doesn't believe the Aqidah of Al-Jahmiyyah. Wallahu ta'ala a'lam, but just to make that clear. Yeah, تفضل أخي.